Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week. These come to our Shopify, which is at scribbleprintsco.com. Our Etsy is now kind of just like, you don't even need to worry about it. Everything that you need to know is going to be at the new shop. There's a reward system, super easy to shop. There's lots of cool little like things in there, like super cute things. The mystery's moving on to there. It's gonna be so nice having everything on one shop. I'm trying to keep a lot of things in stock longer. It's just been really fun. Order filling has been a breeze. I'm going to be bringing back PR codes, which I'm hoping to do by Friday, so keep those in mind if you guys used them before. The same people will have PR codes. So let's go ahead and get into the releases. There's a bunch of things I'll talk about at the end, but I'll just show you guys, you know, what's up first. So let's go ahead and show the Kerstin Kit first. We do have, this is probably one of the bigger releases we've ever had. We do have, I'm sorry, my nails are a little chipped. We do have 4 collections and then a bunch of other products. I think within the next month, yeah, probably in a month, I'm gonna be doing a release that's actually like probably no stickers, which is gonna be crazy for me. I've never done that. Just a bunch of different products that I have that I'm like really pumped to release. I did sneak one on Instagram, and I do sneak things like on Instagram and Facebook often, and it is a sticker album, and I love it. This is the marble I use in all of the kits. It's in the background there. I did brighten the marble for this one just so it's a little bit lighter and brighter. It's kind of very faint, but this is the marble I normally use, and I think it's so beautiful. I had gold hardware put on because I thought, you know, me, gold is just a thing. Even the inside center hardware is gold, and this will fit your scribbler sheets. If I have one, I feel like I have like so much stuff going on here that I forgot to pull out something else that's being released. Scribblers, where are you? It would be nice if I had them. I gotta have some somewhere. But it'll fit scribbler sheets and most sticker sheets. Where are my scribblers? This is the worst. I do actually have a new storage system for my stickers, so I will be doing a video on that shortly. Here's like an almost used sheet, so these will fit in here. I think most sheets will fit in here. So that's that. It'll also fit like Once More With Love sheets. I'm gonna mess up all of my organization right now. It'll also fit Once More With Love sheets. It'll fit Fox and Cactus sheets. Pretty sure. I didn't test this yet, but yep, it'll fit Fox and Cactus sheets. The only one I don't think it's gonna fit, which this actually doesn't fit my storage system either. Actually, JK, these will fit. My new storage system is Happy Day, which they actually will fit. The problem with my current storage system is they're a little bit too wide, but these will actually perfectly fit. So every single character sticker sheet that I have, because these are the biggest ones, will fit in here, which I just love this binder, and this will be coming to the shop in a couple of weeks when I do that release of non-sticker items. I just ruined this sticker, but this is something that I sneaked on Instagram and Facebook, so if you want to see sneaks and stuff, I would definitely follow me over on one of those platforms, or both, because sometimes I do sneak things on one and not the other. I need to remember to take those stickers out of there, but I just wanted to show you that because I am going to do a really big release in the future. I pulled out like all of my stickers. My desk is a mess, you guys. Okay, so somewhere is the Once More With Love sampler. I just had it, but it is the same in this one too. Just matches the kit, and this is the Kerstin Kit. So cute. This is Kirsten right here with her little cat. She now has 2 cats. This was done before she got the second one, so that's that. This could be her second cat, even though it doesn't look like her second cat, but I hope the second box was cute. This is kind of like a back to school kit, but honestly, I think if you omit this, I mean, there's a calculator here, but if you omit this and use this box, it could just be like a really cute planner girl. I mean, realistically, like, just don't read the titles of the books, but I'm definitely going to use this. I think it's super cute. Again, put one of those like taller fashion girls in here. You have the little scribblers with the glasses holding the books, which will be coming to the shop soon. And then you have this page here with the marble in the background of those, the glitter stroke around the half boxes, which I love. Little things. Ombre Heart checklist with the marble all navy stroke, and then you have the bottom washi, which this would look so beautiful with so many different types of washi. I can't even. Oh, here's the Once More With Love little freebie there. And then the foil option for this is honestly like unlimited. I feel like it would look really good with gold, but I think mostly it would look beautiful with silver or rose gold. There is rose gold in the kit, but I feel like because it's such a cool toned kit, it would look really beautiful with silver as well. I think that's what Kirsten plans on using it for. But she was like so hyped on this kit, so I wanted to make sure it had much so Kirsten vibes. The mini kit, which we do have the unlimited 3-hour stock on the new release section still, so the mini kits usually last through that. Some of them do make it through farther. I continue to try to build more and more stock. It's just really hard to gauge like how much everyone wants. The next collection here is called Coffee Shop. And this is such a pretty collection. Reminds me very much of September or November or January. And this actually reminds me a lot of Mandy. And I think somebody said that in the comments. And whenever I was picking like which girl to use, I was like, this one looks like Mandy. And I feel like this is a very like Mandy looking kit. So you have this here. Well, it doesn't have boba, but you know, similar. Then you have another girl in there in the little Polaroid. I love the glasses. I love like just everything about this. I feel like it looks like really realistic, especially like this looks so pretty. And the glasses, like Candace just keeps getting better and better. Your extra full box there. Another one of those really tall girls, super cute. I'm so excited to use those. I think they're so fun. And then I tried something experimental with this kit in particular, and I did put like, instead of, I'll show you in a different one, but usually these little lines are white, but I changed them out to glitter, which I think looks really pretty. It complements those ombre hair checklists. So let me know what you guys think. I might do this if I don't want to put like a pattern or do marble, you know, do like a little silver just to give it a little something without like being too busy. Because it does complement then the glitter stroke in here. And then, like I said, I did put it in the ombre heart checklist as well, which I just think is a really pretty, like, you know, dainty touch while not just having plain ombre heart checklist. So let me know what you guys think about that for kits that don't have like patterns in the background or have marble. And then you have your bottom washi as well, which is really pretty. Again, I feel like this one is another one you could go to different foils. I think Candace just kind of had gold in mind, but I think this would look really pretty with rose gold or also silver because of the blues being kind of cooler toned, and I chose to put a rose gold sticker on that one. And then the mini kit is here as well. So you do have the full boxes, the sheet with the deco on it, the glitter stroke in there, your mini kit exclusive page, and then your last page there. So that is the Coffee Shop kit, which is so cute. The last two collections are exclusive. I love doing exclusive art. I have a lot of it that gets pushed around. These have actually been pushed around for quite a while now. If shops release art that I really love, I'll move exclusive art to the next week, depending on, you know, if it's like really dire that I put it out to get it out to, you know, with processing and shipping to especially international customers in time for whatever it's made for. But these have been kind of moved around a lot, but I wanted to get them out, especially the school one. But this one I just feel is like a kit that a lot of, like, I haven't seen a lot of art for, so it's kind of like a missed, kind of, I'm trying to think of what the word, a missed occasion. So you do have the munchkins there. And then this I kind of had in mind like a birthday, like a more masculine birthday. Obviously there's like, you know, the little suit there, but it could just be like for your dog, it could be for a man in your life. If you are a girl and you really like this stuff, like it doesn't matter, you do you, whatever you want to do. I love the donut cake, the car, the presents, the dog, the balloons, the guys. Oh, let me back up just a smidge. Y'all are probably like, Andrea, are you gonna show us any of the extras that you can add on for any of these kits? Hold on. So this is the Kerstin Kit. So the Kerstin Kit does have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which is really beautiful. And then you also have the option if you want to add on the fashion girls, which I love this girl with the purple hair. Our newest employee, Emily, has purple hair. It's like more of a purple and less like a lavender, but she was saying how a lot of shops don't do like colors that match her hair. So I was like, definitely have to do it in the future. And the Perfect Collection came. This is the wrong one. The Perfect Collection came and I knew I had to do it. And then you have, you know, other options as well. You have your bow add-on if you want to do that. and those bows are available for that weekend only. And then for coffee shop, you do have the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler, which is really pretty. I love these two purples together, and also this brown. There's also an option if you want to add on the fashion girls, which are so pretty. I love this girl's haircut and the way her hair is like moving. It's so pretty. And also the option if you want to add on the bows for that one. And then let's go back to where we were so that we can talk more about this kit. So I'm all over the place. This is Man Crush Monday. So you have your full boxes here. You have your extra full box here, which is just another one of the fashion guys, which there will be more fashion guys I'll show you in a second. Really teeny tiny deco, which is so cute. A lot of these items can be used for like other things, like there's beer, presents, balloons, there's little bows, little coffee cups. Like you can save those for sure. And then in the background, you kind of have like tire marks and glitter. This was before we did the glitter stroke, which I think this kind of works with the more masculine feeling of this kit. I love these colors. I think it's great for really any time, especially I feel like these are very like June colors, the tire marks and glitter on the background there. And then you have the bottom washi, which again, so many options if you want to switch out that washi for something else. But I just really love this collection, and it's like one of those collections that I haven't seen a lot of art for. Same with like the graduation one we did, so I really think this is going to be a well-loved collection. There's also the option if you want to do a mini kit. So the mini kit is the 5-page option. So you do have the munchkins, you have the full boxes, the deco page, the functional page, the mini kit page, and then the bottom washi page. Super cute. I love the colors for this. I don't know if I'll use it for Nick's birthday, because I feel like it might fall on the same week as Kirsten's, and I kind of want to use a birthday kit for Kirsten this year. Last year I just used like a random birthday kit, which kind of just worked all-encompassing. So there's the glitter sampler, and then there is the fashion guide. So you have 2 different outfit options, and you have different skin tone options as well, different hair colors. And then you also have, if you want to add on the bows. Then last but not least, we do have another exclusive collection. So exclusive art is, I work with artists. I work with, I work with different artists. I have a character artist, I now have a script artist, and then I have like collection artists. I think I have 4 or 5 now that I work with, and they're the most wonderful artists ever, and I send them a color scheme, a mood board, a list of everything that I want in the collection, you know, what kind of girls I want, what kind of scene I want, and then they deliver the art. And I'm just like, it's my favorite thing in the world to be able to work with other artists to create something super beautiful, and I just love all of them. I have really great relationships with my artists, and I just feel really lucky to have them. So this is SPC University. This was designed a while ago. Both of these, I would say, were designed at least 2+ months ago, as far as like being like completely done, sent to print for Kirsten. But yeah, this is just, it's just beautiful. I love the colors in this. I wanted to do something a little bit more of a cool tone fall. And I just think it turned out really pretty, very college university. So you have, you know, 2 girls here. You have like a little dorm scene. You have your little SPC University sweatshirt, books, pens, backpack, laptops, loose leaf paper, notebooks, the whole shebang. And then this one, you have a girl holding a coffee cup, which is just so cute. These nails remind me of Jessica's nails. Then you do have your deco here. You have like some girl options, the rest of the deco, and then you have little school scribblers on the bottom. And then in the background of here, it's like, it's kind of hard to see, but you have like little strokes of glitter along with like a bokeh kind of effect. Half boxes, washi, little things, and then that is so pretty. And then you have the bottom washi page as well. And then obviously I think this would look beautiful with some silver. It's very like going into winter. I think it would also be good if, you know, if you already have like a back to school kit planned, maybe a finals week kit would be really nice. What is it? Oh, I had an extra cello and I was mega confused. And then you have the mini kit option as well. So we have a lot coming to the shop this week. There's just overall like a lot more room for production now that we have another employee, and everything's just running so smoothly. We're very ahead, and I'm just honestly loving it. We're going to be moving into a new office soon, I think. So then for this one, you do have the option if you want to add on glitter or if you want to add on bows. So that is everything for this week. A nice, thick, healthy stack of stickers, but there's more. So Thursday, the shop will be closing for 24 hours. So tomorrow, for past mystery subscribers, so if you were subscribed to the last kit and didn't cancel, you would have gotten an email that your subscription was canceled, and then also an email that said information. It's from Scribbles Monthly on how to resubscribe, and that will be tomorrow. So the site will be on lock with a password that was sent to all active subscribers of our monthly subscription. If you weren't subscribed and you want to subscribe, spots will be open on the 13th. So a new release will be on Friday at noon still, and we will have also the Fries Before Guys journaling card. We'll have the extras of those, and also Scribblers. You can find those on our Instagram. We have, I think, 4 designs: Picnic, Scribble Prints Co, Laptops, and then Donuts. So this is the Donuts one's way cute. And then we'll also have a metal bow design. So this is the newest one. So this one is a, I'm gonna call this Champagne. I'm gonna go ahead and lift this up so you can see the color a little bit better. So a champagne bow, which is so pretty. It's like a nude almost. So beautiful. So I'm going to start doing a bow every week, I think. It just was a lot to do, like all of them, having so many different bows in front of me. And then I'm also going to be doing this bow die cut pack. So these aren't stickers, these are just die cuts. I've done die cut bows before, like with the poolside kit, or was it poolside? Pool house kit had bows, and it was just, I think, a pack of 4. But I decided to do a mega pack of bow die cuts. I know a lot of people love these for TNs and crafting and things. So maybe I'll call it bow ephemera just so no one gets super confused. So you do get 24 bows, so this will be an option. I do have a limited stock of these, but I do have a ton of them. Packs of these, so if you want to add this onto your order this week, there's tons of bows. I wanted them to be summery, but also have, you know, some basic other colors in here as well. So that'll be available on Friday. You have the metal bows, you have the scribblers, you have the stickers, you have the Fries Before Guys journaling card. PR samplers are going to be coming back, so I will get those rolling. And I think that's everything for this week. I'm probably going to have the next TN kit, which is based on the most recent mystery out, hopefully within the next 2 weeks. This one's like real intense, like has a lot of stuff, and I'm really, really pumped about it. And like I said, I am going to be doing a really, really big release of non-sticker items, hopefully within the next month. And there's more washi coming, which I'm really excited about. No, we're not done. I do also have bows, foil bows. I almost forgot. That's what I was like talking about in the beginning. So we do have foiled bows, foiled bows. Foiled bow sheets as well. So last week we had icons, and I sold about 40% of the stock we made, which is a ton. I thought I would like sell maybe like 20%, but you guys really loved it. The top seller foil was gold, and then silver, and then rose gold. It was only like, I think 5 difference, and then like 10 difference between those two. So I was really excited about that. You guys are loving it, and I used these in my plan with me this week, though you haven't seen it. And I think also Kirsten put up a plan with me and used the bow as well. We actually got bow tattoos. Mine looks kind of grimy, but these will be available same price as the icons because the sheet size is the same. And we also sneaked that we will be having, well, Kirsten sneaked it. My plan with me hasn't gone up. It'll go up Monday. Foil overlays, which will be coming in the future, but really, really pumped about these. You have 3 different bow sizes on transparent paper in the different foils, so you can pick those up Friday as well. So this is a mega release. I hope you guys like this week's release video, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to you guys on Monday.